why did I not think of this? So I just thought I'd take you for a little whiz through my studio. This is where I take my photographs as the day job. A little bit messy, could have cleaned, didn't. Hashtag real life. But I just thought I wanted to do a little chat with you about my consistency, and it's always been an issue, and I've been much better. Stairs. That's better framing. About my consistency of putting videos out, and it's been much better recently. It's not been a year or two since my last one, and someone said the other day, don't worry, don't panic, it's your hobby. It is my hobby, but ultimately I enjoy it greatly, so I want to do it more often. Stairs. And yeah, so I want to do it more often, and that was like a ski slope, slow trek up, whiz down. Oh, back up again. Something very important is happening. Door. Pause. Go. So yeah, I would love to. I will endeavour to do more in my consistency. I think it's because my job isn't consistent. But what I'm trying to say is, I used to do a thing called Quick Tip Tuesdays, and I religiously did it for about a month, maybe 6 weeks, where I would have a quick tip on a Tuesday, and I enjoyed doing them, and because sometimes I didn't have a clue what tip I was going to say, and it made me do a bit of research, made me look into what tips were out there to learn, and I would go out and I'd try them, and I think, brilliant, that's worth sharing with the world. It meant I was also a bit more consistent in what I uploaded. So every Tuesday there was a guaranteed Quick Tip Tuesday, and some of them were great, some of them really useful. All of them really useful actually. Some of them I hadn't known before, so I was finding them out for the first time. Like, why did I not think of this? It's so obvious. It feels like something that I should have just naturally learned. And others are stuff that I learned that people went, whoa, what, I've never thought of that before. So I'm going to get back into it. And this is just a very quick video to share that with you. That I'm going to start thinking of quick tips on a Tuesday, and they don't have to film them in a studio. I don't have to film them. I can film them wherever I like, and I can film them as I think of them. If this is a great idea, let me know. If it's not, if you don't think it is, I'm going to do them anyway, but please don't unsubscribe unless you want to. It's only a little tiny video every Tuesday. Another aspect of being able to give value to everyone who still subscribes, and all of my new subscribers that I've not formally thanked. So please accept this as my formal thank you. You guys are awesome. Yeah, really looking forward to getting back into this. Probably starting a week on Tuesday, and I'm going to get loads of tips, pick my dad's brain when we're out on Dartmoor, and basically come at you every Tuesday with some quick tips. And while I'm thinking about it, if there's anyone out there that wants to collaborate, let me know. It doesn't have to be a meetup. We don't have to sort of do that YouTube thing of meeting up and saying, oh, we've never met, but we're great friends, let's go and do something. I'm also up for that because, I mean, it worked with Trev from Summit or Nothing, and I'm very, very... and Stu, my friend who's a woodsman? My friend Stu, who is a forager, and, well, he is a woodsman, he's awesome. Stu, anyway, I'll leave that video, we foraged stuff, it was great. But, so I like meeting up with collaborations, but if you can think of anything else, like, I don't know, can I help you prep your food for a trip over a Zoom call? Do you want me to react to your cooking? What do you want? Tell me what you want. Because I really do. I enjoy filming it. I think I'm getting better in front of the camera, even though I feel happy sometimes. Well, all the time when I'm doing these videos. I've looked back at them recently and I look miserable. Oh, cooking outdoors. Do it like this, please. So, yeah. just a very quick video to say thank you for your ever continued support. I will be uploading Tuesday tips, and I'm even going to give it a theme tune. Working on that, and first time I actually thought that, and just said it out loud, so don't know why I said that, but it will have one. Quick tip Tuesdays, lots of reverb, big old sign flashes up, da, 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 that sort of thing. Anyway, cheers and gone.